Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at RouterCAM's Toolpaths contour adjustment, and this will be for machining direction, so the different options we have there. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on Toolpaths and their settings. And at the moment, we are still covering contour adjustment. So we already looked at the actual first two settings. Now, this is the third one, which is machining direction. Now, not all of them obviously has the machining direction, and some of them have different settings under it, but it all works pretty similar in most cases. So if I go here with my object selected and I open a new contour milling, then under the tool center you'll see we have this machining direction. Now under here we've got climb and conventional. Now the big difference in this is, like for instance climb, I know it's a bit confusing, but this one will cut basically from the top down, obviously depending on the position of your machine. But if we just have to preview that quick, we keep it on climb, we generate a code here, and we open up. Now we can see this shape's cutting from the top downwards. Now if we had to go and edit this, and then we make it conventional, okay, regenerate, now we can see it starting from the bottom up. And also something to keep in mind when it comes to these is that the climb will cut in direction to or should I say will move in the direction of your cutting bit. So let's say it is spinning clockwise, then it will cut towards that side, so it doesn't cut against the grain. So, and then obviously conventional will do the opposite, it will cut against the grain or against the flow for a more harsher cut. Now if that it comes to milling with bits and that, if we go to actual laser and so forth, then it obviously works a bit different. So let me just delete this one, click on the cutting for laser, plasma and water, and then now under machine direction we've got, as you can see, the same direction, opposite direction. Same direction, will basically be cutting it one way. At the moment I think it is from top down. Let me just put my leads off and quickly have a quick look at that, and then just generate it. Yeah, so at the moment, as you can see here, it cuts it from the top down. Now obviously you can just go edit it and then go opposite direction. Then once you generate it, now it will do it from the bottom up. So it's very similar, but you don't have to worry so much about the actual cutting direction of the bit, you can say, whether it's cutting with it or against it. So just a quick recap again on the machining direction. So with climb, it will be cutting top down depending on the position of your machine, and on conventional will be cutting from the bottom up against the grain, you can say. And then on machining it will just be top down, bottom up, in that fashion. And yeah, that is it on machining direction. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you simply do not find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.